Halo, saya punya janji dengan Dr. Smith. Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. Boleh saya tahu nama Anda, tolong? May I have your name, please? May I have your name, please? Nama saya John Doe. My name is John Doe. My name is John Doe. Saya merasa sakit kepala parah sejak kemarin. I've been having a severe headache since yesterday. I've been having a severe headache since yesterday. Apakah Anda punya gejala lain? Do you have any other symptoms? Do you have any other symptoms?
Ya, saya merasa pusing dan sedikit mual.
Yes, I feel dizzy and a little nauseous. Yes, I feel dizzy and a little nauseous.
Apakah Anda sudah minum obat?
Have you taken any medicine? Have you taken any medicine? Hanya obat pereda nyeri yang dijual bebas.
Only some over-the-counter painkillers. Only some over-the-counter painkillers. Apakah Anda tidur dengan baik tadi malam?
Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night?
Tidak, saya terus terbangun karena sakit.
Not really. I kept waking up because of the pain. Not really. I kept waking up because of the pain. Mari kita cek suhu dan tekanan darah Anda dulu. Let's check your temperature and blood pressure first. Let's check your temperature and blood pressure first.
Baik, terima kasih.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Suhu Anda agak tinggi, 38 derajat Celcius.
Your temperature is a bit high, 38 degrees Celsius. Your temperature is a bit high, 38 degrees Celsius.
Itu sebabnya saya merasa lemah.
That explains why I've been feeling weak. That explains why I've been feeling weak.
Apakah Anda punya alergi?
Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies?
Tidak, saya tidak punya alergi.
No, I don't have any allergies. No, I don't have any allergies. Saya akan meresepkan obat untuk mengurangi sakit kepala.
I will prescribe some medicine to help with the headache. I will prescribe some medicine to help with the headache.
Seberapa sering saya harus minum obat ini? How often should I take it? How often should I take it?
Setiap 6 jam dengan air setelah makan.
Every 6 hours with water after meals. Every 6 hours with water after meals. Apakah ada makanan yang harus dihindari?
Should I avoid any food while taking this medicine? Should I avoid any food while taking this medicine? Tidak, Anda bisa makan seperti biasa.
No, you can eat normally. No, you can eat normally.
Apakah saya perlu istirahat beberapa hari?
Do I need to rest for a few days? Do I need to rest for a few days?
Ya, hindari aktivitas berat setidaknya 2 hari.
Yes, try to avoid strenuous activities for at least 2 days. Yes, try to avoid strenuous activities for at least 2 days.
Saya mengerti, terima kasih atas sarannya.
I understand. Thank you for the advice. I understand. Thank you for the advice.
Bisakah saya kembali bekerja besok?
Can I go back to work tomorrow? Can I go back to work tomorrow?
Lebih baik istirahat hari ini dan lihat bagaimana perasaan Anda besok. It's better if you rest today and see how you feel tomorrow. It's better if you rest today and see how you feel tomorrow.
Baik, saya akan melakukan itu. All right, I will do that. All right, I will do that. Apakah saya perlu kontrol lagi? Do I need to come back for a follow-up?
Do I need to come back for a follow-up?
Ya, silakan kembali dalam 3 hari.
Yes, please come back in 3 days. Yes, please come back in 3 days.
Apakah ada hal lain yang perlu saya ketahui tentang obat ini?
Is there anything else I should know about this medicine? Is there anything else I should know about this medicine?
Minum obat ini bersamaan dengan makanan untuk menghindari sakit perut.
Take this medicine with food to avoid stomach upset. Take this medicine with food to avoid stomach upset.
Terima kasih, saya akan melakukannya.
Thank you, I will do that. Thank you, I will do that. Saya merasa sedikit lebih baik setelah beristirahat. I feel a bit better after resting. I feel a bit better after resting.
Bagus.
Terus pantau kondisi Anda. That's good. Keep monitoring your condition. That's good. Keep monitoring your condition. Apa yang harus saya lakukan jika sakit kepala kembali? What should I do if the headache comes back? What should I do if the headache comes back?
Minum obat sesuai petunjuk dan istirahat.
Jika sakit berlanjut, segera kembali. Take the medicine as prescribed and rest.
If it persists, come back immediately.
Take the medicine as prescribed and rest.
If it persists, come back immediately.
Saya mengerti. Saya akan mengikuti instruksi. Understood.
I will follow the instructions.
Understood.
I will follow the instructions.
Bolehkah saya mandi hari ini? Can I take a shower today? Can I take a shower today? Boleh, tapi hindari air panas untuk sementara.
Yes, but avoid hot water for now. Yes, but avoid hot water for now.
Saya merasa sedikit pusing saat berdiri. I feel a bit dizzy standing up. I feel a bit dizzy standing up.
Bergerak perlahan dan duduk jika merasa pusing.
Move slowly and sit down if you feel dizzy. Move slowly and sit down if you feel dizzy.
Terima kasih, saya akan melakukannya.
Thank you, I will do that. Thank you, I will do that.
Bolehkah saya sarapan sekarang?
Can I eat breakfast now? Can I eat breakfast now?
Boleh, tapi makanlah yang ringan. Yes, you can eat light meals. Yes, you can eat light meals. Saya lapar tapi sedikit mual.
I am hungry but a little nauseous. I am hungry but a little nauseous.
Makan perlahan dan minum air sedikit demi sedikit.
Eat slowly and drink water slowly. Eat slowly and drink water slowly.
Baik, saya akan melakukannya.
All right, I will follow that. All right, I will follow that. Saya merasa agak lelah setelah pemeriksaan.
I feel a bit tired after the checkup. I feel a bit tired after the checkup.
Itu normal. Istirahatlah dengan baik.
That's normal. Rest well. That's normal. Rest well.
Saya merasa lebih baik daripada kemarin.
I feel better than yesterday. I feel better than yesterday.
Bagus, teruskan minum obat sesuai petunjuk.
Good. Keep taking the medicine as prescribed. Good. Keep taking the medicine as prescribed.
Perut saya sedikit sakit sekarang. I have a little pain in my stomach now. I have a little pain in my stomach now. Istirahatlah dan minum air perlahan. Take it easy and drink water slowly. Take it easy and drink water slowly. Saya mengantuk. Bolehkah saya beristirahat sekarang?
I feel sleepy. Can I rest now? I feel sleepy. Can I rest now?
Boleh, silakan beristirahat sebentar. Yes, please rest for a while. Yes, please rest for a while. Saya merasa agak cemas tentang kondisi saya.
I am feeling a bit anxious about my condition. I am feeling a bit anxious about my condition.
Itu wajar. Pantau gejala Anda saja.
That's understandable.
Just monitor your symptoms.
That's understandable.
Just monitor your symptoms.
Saya merasa jauh lebih tenang sekarang. I feel much calmer now. I feel much calmer now.
Bagus. Pastikan Anda beristirahat dan minum air.
That's good. Make sure to rest and drink water. That's good. Make sure to rest and drink water.
Bolehkah saya pulang sekarang?
Can I go home now? Can I go home now?
Boleh, tapi segera kembali jika gejala memburuk.
Yes, you can go home, but come back if symptoms worsen. Yes, you can go home, but come back if symptoms worsen.
Terima kasih atas semuanya hari ini.
Thank you for everything today. Thank you for everything today.
Sama-sama, jaga diri Anda.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself. You're welcome. Take care of yourself.